Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. 2 days ago, a new game was launched on Telegram called Fabrica or Friends Factory by the developers of Major. This game is backed by Pavel Durov, Telegram CEO himself, and why do we say that? If you go to the channel of Roxman, who is one of the creators of Major, you'll see a report there that a year ago, Pavel Durov acquired the username Fabrika and gave it to their game. So this is not a hearsay. The game was just a bot at that time, but 2 days ago it went live as a Telegram mini game itself. I rarely create videos on Telegram mini game, but I am creating this because I am super bullish on this one. So in this video I am going to be showing you how to interact with Friend Factory and different ways through which you can earn and rank up. So when you log into the app, you are going to receive your daily login reward. The more you log in every day without breaking your streak, the more reward that you are going to earn, as it is on Major. Now once you are here, you can tap on that screen and you are going to earn coins. Okay, so you can see my energy capacity here, it is 1000, and as I am tapping on the screen, you'll see that what I have left keeps reducing. So once I have drained that 1000 energy capacity, what I can do to earn more coin is to go to the boost area. Here you have 6 energy boost every day, and if you tap on it, you can restore your energy capacity, which is now drained. So I'm going to tap on use boost, and you can see that my energy capacity have been restored. Now I have 1000 over 1000, and I can continue tapping until I drain it, then go back to the boost tab, restore my energy until I am done using up everything. Now if you tap on earn coins, this is where you are going to see all available tasks that you can complete to earn more coins. Next up, we are going to visit Factory. And how Factory work is that you work for somebody to help them earn coins, while you also recruit people to work for you and earn more coins. This is different from the reward that you get from referrals. So let's see who my boss is. So this person is the person who bought me, and I am working for them in their factory. Now what you can do is you can decide to just blow up this person's factory and deactivate their user factory for 24 hours so that they won't earn coins from factory. But if you want to do that, you need to have dynamite. You can see that I have 0 dynamite here, and you can buy dynamite if you do not have. Let's tap on go to market and see. So if you want to buy 1 dynamite, it costs you 100,000 coins. So you have to make sure that you have the capacity before deciding to blow up somebody's factory. So let's go back to my own factory and see what we have there. By default, you have space for 5 workers to work for you in your factory and earn reward from them. When you tap on available workplace, it automatically takes you to the market tab, and in the market tab, that is where you buy workers from. You can see available workers that you can buy, employ them to your factory so that they can start working for you. So I just choose one of the workers available in the market. You can see this worker do not have a shield. You can purchase them. If they have a shield, you will not be able to purchase them, and it costs 1000 gems to buy a worker. I just bought this worker successfully, and I will tap on continue. So what I am going to do now is I am going to send this worker to work. There are different work and different reward for each task, so you want to choose what exactly you want this worker to do for you in your factory. So if the worker is sweeping sand, they earn 100 gems and they are going to work for 24 hours. If they are digging emerald collection for you, they earn you 900 gems, but they have to work for 8 hours. Granite extraction, 600 gems, and they will work for 4 hours. While relic hunt task gives you 300 gems and they only work for 1 hour. So I am going to choose the work that I want this worker to do. I have chosen relic hunt, then I will tap on send to work. Now what you want to do after sending a worker to work for you is you want to protect them with a shield. So I will tap on that and I will tap on protect worker. I have 3 shield left. So I am going to protect this worker, because if I refuse to protect them, another person can steal them from me and have them work for his own factory. Now you bought them with 1000 gems and that will go to waste. Okay, so you can decide to cancel a worker from working for you. Simply tap on cancel work, but I will not do that. And you can decide to also sell your worker to another dealer, but you cannot sell a worker while he is still working. So you would have to wait until they are done working, or you can cancel their work first before selling them to someone else. So I am going to go back to market and buy a couple more workers for my factory. I'm going to pay 1000 gems to buy this worker. I'll tap on continue. Then I'll send this worker to work and I'll choose the work that I want them to do for me in the factory. So this time I am choosing granite extraction. They'll work for 4 hours and I'll earn 600 gems. And I am going to ensure to protect my worker with shield so that another person will not collect them from me. And it has been 1 hour later. Worker Teddy is done with their work. You can see the collect rewards button is now active. So I am going to tap on collect rewards. And they already earned 300 gems for me. I am going to claim that. Now, Worker Teddy is now available to do another round of work. I am going to tap on that worker. They are still protected with shield. So another person cannot claim them at this moment. So I'm going to tap on send to work. And I am going to choose a task to assign to this worker. So I have chosen Emerald Collection and they are going to work for 8 hours and then fetch me 900 gems. And don't forget to check back when other workers are also done with their work so that you can claim the rewards. When you visit the top tab, that is where you see the leaderboard as well as available leagues. When you newly join, you'll be in the Sandstone League, followed by Granite League, Emerald League, Sapphire League, Ruby League, Diamond League, and finally Master League. The more coins that you earn, the higher you will go in leagues. I forgot to check every feature that is available in Boost earlier, so let's go back. So we have multi-tap and we have energy limit. So if I decide to buy this boost, it is going to cost me 20 Telegram stars. Now let's leave that and go to the other one, energy limit. My current energy limit is 1000. And if I decide to buy this boost, it is going to expand it from 1000 to 1500. And this is also going to cost 20 Telegram stars. So let's see, I have 36 stars in my balance, so I can still afford to buy. Now let's tap on confirm and pay 20 stars. So I just bought this boost. Now let's check my capacity and see if there is a change. I'll go back to home to check that. And as you can see, my capacity have increased from 1000 to 1500. If you still want to increase your capacity or your tap, you simply go back to boost and then you increase it. Now this time it is going to cost 40 Telegram stars to get extra 500 boost, and the more boost that you are buying, the more that you are going to have to pay in stars. To copy your referral link, go to the Friends tab, copy your link and share with people to join you. Regular Telegram user will get you 1000 coins per referral, while premium users will get you 5000 coins per referral. Now, having explored every available features of this mini game, this is how we come to the end of this video. Now, even if Hamster Combat, Pixelverse, Cartesian and any other game have done you bad, there are certain projects on Telegram that you should not even joke with, and this is one of them, as well as Major itself. So even if you are tired of tapping and Telegram games in general, make sure that you do not miss out on this. I am going to leave the link that you use and register in the comment section. If you have any questions or any challenge about this game, drop me a comment in the comment section. Share this video if you have found value, like this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time seeing this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another tutorial.